Now, there's something I want to show you. It's in one of these scrapbooks somewhere, but there's so much of it. Mind you, it's all brilliant, so it all goes in. I think it's in this one. Yep, here it is. Take a look at this.
Oliver's potted plant is really striking. Look at that. He's used strong coloured oil pastels and it really stands out. And Rosa's dolphin has a real mood effect. From the highlights on the water to the moon's reflection on the sea, it really comes to life. Lucy's used a black permanent pen and watery poster colour for her castle. I like the people peeking through the windows. And William's animal skull has been drawn first and then painted with thin paints so the lines show through. I like that. Now, Emily's ornate gilded mirror, well, it looks like something you'd see in an antique shop. How did you do it, Emily?
I carefully glued an old mirror to some cardboard box card. I then stuck interesting shapes of pasta around the outside and painted it with gold acrylic paint.
Yeah, that's a fantastic way of framing a mirror. You know, mirror frames come in all shapes and sizes, don't they? And do you know what? This has got me thinking, and I've come up with my own way of framing a mirror by hiding it. Nah, don't worry, I haven't gone mad. Try this. Take a biggish piece of cardboard box card and draw around an old mirror tile like this. Now, you can always get a mirror tile from a do-it-yourself shop. Then draw an oval shape that fits inside the outline of your mirror. And just work your oval inside that box like that until you're happy with the shape. Yeah, that should do it. Down there like that. Then draw a fancy frame shape around the outside of the outline using as much of the card as you can. That's around there, and then just giving all these curves on the outline. Around there like that. And back to the beginning. The idea is to cut this out and this oval shape in the middle, and you're left with a card frame that fits over your mirror. Yeah, how's that? Now you need to make a door that will hide the mirror. Take another smaller bit of card and place the frame on top, and then just draw through the oval hole onto the card underneath, like that, and do this quite carefully. Cut this oval shape out and just tape a loop of card onto the side like this. Use lots of tape so it's nice and secure. And then, with the neat side facing up, place the card door back into the hole, and it should fit perfectly like that. And then keep hold of the card handle that you've just made. It should stick out so you can get hold of it at the side. Then take a little square of card and tape or glue it. Again, you can put more on, you've got more time than I have. And then just pop it onto that left-hand edge there where the door meets the frame. Now, the piece of card forms a hinge so you can open and close the door when it's dry. Now, while the door is still closed, you can now decorate the front of your frame. You can do it however you like, but because I wanted mine to look like an enchanted mirror, you know, like in the cartoons, I've drawn on some ornate carving on the frame. And I've even made some of the carving 3D by sticking on a thin twist of tissue dipped into some glue. And I just got another little ball of tissue here. I've dipped that into some glue. It's nice and sticky, and on it goes. Then, when all your gluey bits are dry, just paint your frame however you like, using poster or acrylic paint, and you should have something that looks like this. Looks good, doesn't it? Then just tape or glue your mirror very carefully onto the back like that, and you could also attach a piece of string so that you can hang it up. And then, well, just hang it up somewhere around your house, maybe your own room. And there it is, my hidden mirror. It looks like the Wicked Queen's enchanted mirror, doesn't it? Watch this. Mirror, mirror, on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? Not you, mate, that's for sure. Charming. And there are loads of different ways you can use this door technique, you know, to hide a mirror. How's about this? An enchanted castle with a drawbridge that opens. And there I am again. Good, isn't it? And how about this? A room with a view. Open the window, and there's a very, very pretty view out there. I don't think so. Brilliant, aren't they? Try it yourself, hidden mirrors. And don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.